Show me colors, ooh, ooh, ooh. Show me colors, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Hey guys, Mandy Wildman here, and we're in the shop today, Up Love Bridal and More, and this is part of the more, and I get a lot of questions about this. I'm going to take a couple steps backwards. This is, hopefully I won't fall on the sofa. This is a kimono. It's made from pre-loved materials, you know me, and a lot of people have asked me, oh my gosh, how do you make that? It looks so complicated. I want to tell you, it is not complicated. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. You could probably knock it out in one afternoon if you already had purchased the pieces, or that you'd scouted your closet, or you'd ransacked your sister's closet for the pieces that you want to put together for this kimono or duster or wrapper or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to give you a little bit of a closer look. Here we can see that there is a top. The top is actually stretch, because you know me, I like to use a stretch top to anything that I make. The bottom part, the skirt, does not have to be stretched, and in fact it isn't. It's a cotton. It's really soft. It came from a maxi dress that where the back that was sheared elastic had all pooched out. You know what I'm talking about, right? And I had to hack it off, had to just chop it off. But I did love these patterns together. It's not for everybody, but it is for me. So this was a little bit of lace, a little bit of trim. I bought a whole bunch of it at a flea market, actually. And I got to use this delicious, bright, sort of orangey, melony color on this kimono. And then the last little thing I wanted to show you was this is a piece of vintage lace. It was just an offcut from something else that I was making, and I just flang it on the sleeves and the bottom part here, and as you can see, it turned out pretty cute. I really love it. I love wearing it, and so that was it. I just wanted to give you this quick update on how to make a kimono or a wrapper or a duster, an overcoat. You can wear it over clothing, you can wear it over your night clothes, you can wear it over nothing. See you later. This is Mandy Wildman signing off. Bye.
Show me colors, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Again, I'm Mandy Wildman, and you're on the Vibrant Craft. Woo, wah, 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 wah.